I'm Priscilla and welcome to my Skillshare class. In this class, you will learn the skills to turn your illustrations into animations. We will start from the ground up with the basics of the Procreate Dreams app, an overview of its tools to help you navigate the interface, as well as going through the settings, menus, and gestures that help to simplify your workflow. Next, we'll talk through using animation tracks and navigating the draw and paint mode. You'll learn how to import your projects, work with color palettes and brushes, and how layers in Procreate Dreams interact with your animation tracks in your timeline. We'll also learn how to use clipping masks to enhance your animations. Next, we'll go through a series of animation exercises in a beginner-friendly way and turn a pre-prepared Procreate illustration called Social Media for Cats into an animated movie. By going through the steps of this project, you will learn to create an animated title that incorporates text, audio, video, and layer masks. And then we will move on to converting the layered illustration into a movie by applying keyframes for motion and live filters, performing, and the flipbook in draw and paint mode to bring our animation to life. And don't worry if you are brand new to animation, because the project file, the brushes, the palettes, the video and audio files are all included in your class resources so that you can use the same tools that I'm using every step of the way. And that way we can get straight into animating. All you will need to take this class is an iPad, the app Procreate Dreams, and a stylus. For the best results, I do recommend the pressure-sensitive model of the Apple Pencil, which I will be using. Okay, enough talking. Let's get started.